Hello everybody, thank you so much for joining us today. So today we're exploring that fantastic colour palette of claret, celebrating the birth month of November. So are you a November baby? We're going to create a contemporary style arrangement that's suitable for a corporate environment today using this absolutely stunning Cymbidium orchid, the variety of which is Ferrari. This is a perfect modern styled arrangement suitable for the business that is ambitious and determined to be inspired. The claret tones help to convey strength. So what better arrangement to have in your working environment? My ingredients are, as I've previously mentioned, this fantastic Cymbidium orchid, the variety is Ferrari. I'm also using some steel grass. Now steel grass is really useful in this style of arrangement because it does actually spring back on itself. It's a little bit more rigid perhaps than bare grass. Bare grass is a little bit more drapey, a bit more frondy, and flexi grass has a completely tubular format, so a lot easier to work on with your hands. Steel grass does still have that sharp edge, so don't run it through your hands. Okay, so that's our steel grass. Then I have a tank vase. I also have a Slimline Kasket, floral foam casket with a plastic back, and obviously my florist box. So specifically today, I'm just using scissors for my florist box. I hope this has inspired you to have a go at something like this yourselves. As always, I have some top tips for you. So top tip number 1, orchids have a really long shelf life, so it's a really cost-effective arrangement to make. Top tip number 2, can also be made in several different sizes. So the vase kind of determines the size that you make, so the overall finish really. So just bear in mind what environment it's going into, what size it needs to be. All right. Top tip number 3, I've actually used a casket that sits perfectly on top of this tank vase. If you find that actually the casket doesn't fit and you've got a danger of it slipping through, just place some garden canes across the top of the vase and then rest the casket on top of that. If you want to go a little bit more eco-friendly or a little bit more natural in the appearance, then put perhaps a couple of 3 pieces of bamboo across the top and then sit the casket on top. All right, so thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it today. Next up, we're showing you how to incorporate this colour palette into a simple vase design. All right, don't forget to like us, share us with your friends, family and your flower clubs. And don't forget also to visit our YouTube channel for many more tips and hints and inspirational ideas. All right, thanks so much for watching. We look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Bye for now.